Hey YouTube, this is Roma Stein. I'm coming to you with a quick haul. Um, it's from Walgreens and CVS. Yeah. So first I'm going to start by showing you this Jordana lip gloss. It's in color Watermelon Punch. I'll try to do a quick swatch. If it shows up. Okay, there's the color. Once again, it's called Watermelon Punch 02. Angel, go sit down, please. Next, I have this lip butter from Revlon, and it's in color Lollipop, and I'm wearing that now on my lips.
I will lift it.
Wait, I'm going to put you on a different lipstick.
Pink one.
Pink one.
Pink.
Okay. What did you eat? Chicken?
Chicken.
Okay.
Banana.
Do this. There you go. Now go watch cartoons, please. Okay, the next one is also by Revlon. It's called Sweetheart. Oh wait. This is the color. I'm gonna do a swatch of it. Sweetheart is this color right here. The second one. This one. By Revlon. This one is Berry Smoothie. My kids like lipstick, so that's why and my baby, she messed up a couple of my lipsticks that I don't have to show y'all. Okay, and this is the color right here. Let's see if I can pick it. Okay. This color right here is called Strawberry Shortcake. Let's see. Yeah. And it's right there. Now I also have this color Creme Brulee. And they're really smooth lipstick. This one. Creme Brulee. It's like a nude color. It's a cute nude color. And I'm not sure if I already showed you this one, because I got this one from Kmart. And I think I did a haul on it. Yeah. But it's called Creamsicle. And it's also a nude color. So those are my ones, and I also have this one. I'm just going to make a circle with this glass. I have this color base lip gloss, and it's called Sunset Beach. It's right there. You can close it off now, please. Then I have 3 lip balms by L'Oreal. Okay, just You let this hand dry, just took the colors off. Okay. This one is called Pink Satin. And I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it color, but I'll rub it on it. Because they're very like translucent. You'll have to build them up to the color. But showing a little bit. Okay. Then I also have Caramel Comfort. Take it from her, Angel. Take it from her. Caramel Comfort. Okay, give me 1 second, Patty. I'm saying if nobody comments about me calling her Patty. Just a nickname. Don't mean nothing like. Right there. This is the color Comfort. Yeah, I want to get this together. And this one right here is called Candy Coral. And I've worn this a couple of times. And right here. Wait, not right there. Oh yeah, this right here. So let me come closer and try to show you all a little bit better. They all have sheen inside. And they're really cute. I'm going to try to add this Pink Satin on top of this lollipop. Make some more water. So thanks for watching. That's my little haul from Walgreens. And one from Kmart. And about a couple from CVS. Lastly, I just wanted to show you this lip glass. It's called Max, not Max. And I got it from lip gloss, and I got it from my local beauty supply store. It's like an orange pearly color. It doesn't have a name. I'll show you it also on my hand. Right there. But I thought it looked like Max. And it has a lot of pigmentation to it. I really like that. And the company is called the Maximum, in case you want to find it. You could probably look online for it. I just know they sell it in my beauty supply store. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. See you next time.